We're going to explain how to open a TXT file in Excel. There are several ways to do this, depending on the format of your TXT file and what you want to do with the data. 1. The simplest method, directly opening the file. Excel can often handle basic TXT files directly. Just go to the File tab in Excel, then click Open. Navigate to the location of your TXT file, select it, and click Open. Excel will attempt to import the data. If your TXT file is structured with data separated by commas, CSV, Excel will likely automatically recognize it and create a spreadsheet. However, if the data is just a block of text without clear delimiters, it might all be imported into a single cell. 2. Using the Text to Columns wizard for delimited files. If your TXT file uses a delimiter like a comma, tab, or semicolon to separate data into columns, the Text to Columns wizard is your friend. After opening the file, as described in Step 1, if the data is in a single column, go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. Choose Delimited and select the appropriate delimiter. Excel will then split the data into separate columns based on that delimiter. You might need to experiment with different delimiters, comma, tab, semicolon, space, if the automatic detection doesn't work correctly. You can also preview the results before completing the process. 3. Dealing with complex or unstructured TXT files. For TXT files with inconsistent formatting, multiple delimiters, or embedded formatting codes, you'll likely need to use a more powerful approach. The simplest option may involve manually editing the file in a text editor, like Notepad, to add delimiters that Excel can understand better and then trying again, first by following Step 1, and then, if needed, Step 2. Alternatively, and this is more involved, you might need to use Excel's formulas, like left, right, mid, find, search, to extract specific parts of the data, or a more advanced text processing tool outside of Excel before importing. 4. Power Query, Get and Transform Data, for advanced scenarios. For very complex TXT files, or for repeated imports of the same file type, using Power Query, Get and Transform Data, is recommended. On the Data tab, click Get Data, and then, from Text, CSV. This opens a powerful tool that lets you specify delimiters, data types, and cleaning steps to transform your TXT file into a usable Excel spreadsheet. Power Query is extremely versatile and allows you to handle a wide variety of TXT file formats and structures efficiently. The learning curve is a bit steeper, but it provides the most control over the import process. Remember to always save your Excel file after importing your TXT data. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully open and work with most TXT files in Microsoft Excel.